Alright, so now we're going to look at finding a percentage change. So maybe we've been given the old price and the new price, and we want to find by how much the percentage has changed. So why that might be important is because, well, sometimes a dollar change or a change in the quantity doesn't really tell us that much. So we'll look at an example. If we think about Greater Shep and we think about Numurkah Secondary College, if Greater Shep gets an extra 100 kids, whereas Numurkah Secondary only gets an extra 25. So it looks like Greater Shep's getting more kids, and they are. But if you calculate that as a percent of the population, that's about 5%. So there's only been a 5% increase in student numbers. Whereas our 25 students, that's a 10% increase on our student numbers. So for us, that's actually a really, really big change in numbers. And actually probably more, if you're thinking about planning for students in the region, that's actually like a bigger issue for the school to plan. So let's look at how we do it. We've got this formula here. So the percentage discount or decrease is equal to the discount over the original price times 100. Same with our increase. It's just whatever the increase is over the original times 100. So we'll look at a couple of examples. Now, I got a university. It's increased its total size at the beginning of the year by 3,000. So it's gone up by 3,000. So that's our increase. If the previous number of students was 35,000, by what percentage did the student population increase? So our original was 35,000. They want us to calculate the population increase. Cool. So our increase is 3,000. Then we do it over the original, which is 35,000. And then we times it by 100. Cool. And then we chuck that into our calculator, and we'll get 8.6%. So 8.6%. Great. So not too bad. Let's look at, and please pause this at any time you need. We'll look at a second example. So they want to calculate the percentage discount obtained when a calculator with a normal price of $38 is sold for $32. Okay, so does this want to work? Doesn't want to work. So it's a normal price is $38, so that's going to be its original. Now we don't have the discount. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to calculate the discount. So the discount will be the change between the old and the new. So 38 minus 32 give us 6. So it means the discount, it's gone down by $6. Okay, and then to calculate the percentage change, you can go, well, 6 over 32, oh, not 32, 38, silly me, times by 100. And that'll give you, let me chuck into my calculator, that'll give you 15.8%. Awesome. So the only difference between this second question and the first question is you had to actually count the calculate the change first. So sometimes you'll have to do that, and then you can sub it into your little formulas up here. So rewatch these two questions if you need, but now you should be able to have a go at questions 7 to 12 of exercise 1G.